Hello friends, welcome to another video of Zack's pronunciation. Let's pronounce this word. Plumber. Plumber. B is silent in this word. Plumber. Plumber. A plumber is a skilled worker who installs, repairs and maintains systems that carry water, gas and waste in buildings. A plumber fixes leaking pipes and taps, installs sinks and showers, repairs water heaters and drainage systems. A plumber works in homes, commercial buildings, construction sites. A plumber does plumbing, the system of pipes and fixtures in a building. Plumber. B is silent in this word. Plumber. Plumber. A plumber is the person who fixes water and pipe issues. Plumber. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zack's pronunciation for more English pronunciation videos.